after year. The complexity of relationships increases where the limited number of predators are concerned. The forest's isolation has prevented it being conquered by carnivorous mammals or snakes. The only hunters that arrived here were birds, and there are not many of those. The Eurasian sparrowhawk has evolved into a subspecies that is a little smaller than its continental cousin. That said, it is just as good a hunter. Sparrowhawks hunt within the forest, tracking small birds that flit between the